So did you know that if you go to this Facebook group, it's called StreamYard Community Official, you can get a lot of good information and chat, sorry, and assets from this Facebook community. Now, if you're a member of StreamYard or if you're a user of StreamYard, this is definitely a resource you want to check out. So in this group, there are some resources right here where it says featured. Each month they drop some resources in here. So I'm giving you what I have, what I've already picked up. You can grab it too. If you go to December, Happy December, and you click on this this post here and click on this Google link, this will take you to a Google Drive that has some assets. Let me know if anybody has any of this stuff. Give me some feedback, guys. I want to know if you are using any of these things. It's a free gift from StreamYard, and it's a bunch of assets. All right. Now the assets include. We go ahead and pull up what they include. Here's December's assets. You've got Boxing Day backgrounds. All right. You've got this background here. You've got this background here. Let's make it bigger. All right, guys, I'm showing you what they're offering for free. They're just giving this stuff for free. You've got some gifts as well, and I'm going to show you how they look on the screen a little bit. But you've got this one here. You see the lights twinkling, right? You have another one very, very similar. You also have a firework gift, and I'll show you how it looks on as part of a stream. Let me know. Give me some feedback in the chats, guys. You have some little dreidel, some little animation stuff. These are all gifts. You can use them as part of your stream to enhance it. You have, Christmas presents. You have the bird, the duck, the StreamYard duck. Showing all the stuff. You have the duck coming from the other angle. And these are all to just enhance, to give you ideas on how to. This is snow, so you can't actually see this one falling. And puddles with the Christmas hat on. I definitely need to get those. Yep, it will just enhance your streaming. All right, so those are the gifts. We also have some holiday backgrounds. Yeah, we have the holiday backgrounds you can use as part of your stream. Okay, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use these in a little bit. Those are the backgrounds. You also have the Kwanzaa backgrounds. Isn't that a Canadian goose? It could well be. You have the Kwanzaa backgrounds as well, right? And then you also have logos. You have the duck logo with the Christmas hat on, if you want to use that. Some more New Year's backgrounds. These are all free, guys. You can use them at your will. You even have, I can't really pronounce this word, but there's a couple more backgrounds here. And finally, you've got the some other banners and icons and all sorts of stuff. So there's a lot of stuff there that's for free, and you can decide how you want to use them as part of your stream. All right, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using them as part of my stream. And of course, to add them to your stream, all you need to do is go to your back office here, the StreamYard back office, and add them to your brand. Now, of course, you do need to have a paid version of StreamYard in order to really maximize this. You're going to go to your brand, and these are things like I already have up here. And I'm going to add the firework just by clicking on Add Overlay. And then I'm going to go to my, what do I call it? My StreamYard folder, and go to my December assets, and go to the overlays and add the snow, for example. I'm putting up the snow right now, and that's going to upload that snow to the back office there. All right, guys, Just give me a number 2 if you're still with me. If you're finding this useful, let me know if you're finding this useful. If you've already seen this before and you're already using them, then that's fine too. This is for the people who are kind of newish to StreamYard. So it's taking a little while to upload, but I think I have one already. This is the lights. You see how the lights are, and here is the fireworks, right? The fireworks, as it comes up, it gives you a nice look. So it could be exciting. So for example, if where do you go to get the overlays? Oh, I just showed you that at the beginning. Maybe you missed it. If you go to the StreamYard official Facebook group, right? StreamYard community official, click on this Google Drive and just download them all. Just download them all. Just click on download. That's where I downloaded them all from. Yeah. And once you have them on your desktop, which I do here, all of them are here, then you can upload them as you will. Welcome to Marlene TV. Welcome to Gary Dixon and everybody else, Professor Black Ops and everybody. So Professor Black Ops says he's finding this useful. She saw my thunders finding this useful. Does anybody else find this stuff useful to you? All right, so I've showed you where to get them from. I've shown you how to download them, and I've shown you how to add them to your stream. Let me just go back to the screen that I was on. Where was it? This one? Not that one. Let's go back to gotta find where I was now. Yeah, here. Okay, guys. And Getty says he likes it too. I just found the page and requested to join the group. Perfect, perfect. All right. So now that we have it is uploaded again, you just click on the show to show this is the snow. This is the snow snow feature. All right. So you can decide how you want to use them. You can decide how you want. Here's the lights, and here are the fireworks, and I have some other stuff that I've uploaded. Please hit the like button, please. Yes, definitely. What can I change? I make my overlays in Canva, but I am just biased towards that app. Me too. I make my own stuff in Canva. And just to give you an example, what I'm talking about, this is something I showed you last week. Here is my QR code. If you scan this QR code, then you could easily send me money if you wanted to. You could send me money, and I created this in Canva. You can create QR codes in Canva very, very easily. Let me know, what can I change? Have you used the QR code feature in Canva? Let me know if you've used that. Where did you add the overlays to the overlay section in your broadcast section of StreamYard? When? So you can add them before you start the stream. You can have all those overlays ready before you start the stream. It's to the overlay section in your broadcast section of StreamYard, correct? Yeah, it's actually in the brand section. It's in the brand section. That's where you add your overlays. You can add your logos. You can add your overlays. See all your overlays here. And what's cool as well is that you can actually now move your overlays, change the order of them. Right? Before you weren't able to do that, but you can move the snow one down to the bottom and move them around. My video clips, I can move those around. I can move my backgrounds around. If I wanted to have this one to the top of my background section, and so forth. As a matter of fact, I do want to show this background here. So I've shown you a couple of things already. I've shown you how to get some assets for your show, and also let me just wish my friend Melody a happy birthday. Let me wish happy birthday, Melody! Happy birthday to Melody. Is anybody else celebrating a birthday in the chats? You know, you can use these assets in multiple different ways. You know, I could have the Christmas lights there for the entirety of the show, or whatever. Or I could have my snow flowing. All right, so you see how I'm using these assets. These are animated GIFs that just they run on a loop over and over again. So you have to turn them on and then turn them off. All right, so you turn on the lights and then you turn them off just by clicking on and clicking off. But I do like the fireworks. So if anybody does send a cash app through, that's what I'm going to be playing. All right, and this is another overlay that I did last week. It's of my cash app. So if you want to, if you're watching on your computer, you can take your phone out and hit the put your camera up to the screen to grab that. So if you go back to the community, StreamYard community, it also has it has some more stuff. So I just was looking at the December freebie. If you go back and click on the let's see, I think it was talks about teams. It gives you all the updates, what's happening with StreamYard. So here are the November assets as well. You can do just click that and then click on the Google link again. And I think I've already downloaded the November stuff, which were the Thanksgiving things. I think I've already downloaded those. Let's see, did I download? Yeah, the November assets as well. So in November, we have the Black Friday stuff, and it's a flashing icon. And then you also have this frame. And also, it's what I think this does, it gives you ideas on how you want to do your stuff. So, for example, this frame here, I like this idea. I might just reinvent it and do something for myself, but it'll be something that's flashing for my own brand. Just like how what can I change says he is that a he? I'm not sure if it's a he or a she, but I think it's probably a he. He is able to design his own stuff in Canva. That is an idea. This gives you some ideas. You also have this cyber icons as well. Cyber Thursday, Cyber Monday, and some more Thanksgiving icons for Thanksgiving. So you can download all of these assets, even the backgrounds for Thanksgiving. Of course, Thanksgiving's already gone, but you know, there's no reason why you couldn't use some of these stuff as well. All right, and then for November, you also had another some icons, some images here. Again, you can use these or use them as ideas. And then you have the 5-minute timers. I've been looking for a 5-minute countdown, and now I can use these. I'm going to incorporate them into my own countdowns and create some new countdowns. We can all use these. All right, so 5 minutes is sometimes good to have, so you can get some things set up while you're getting ready. All right, so these are some more assets that were available for free from StreamYard. Does anybody else have these assets? Let me know if anybody else. I'm a guy. Okay, no problems. Good to have you here. Does anybody else have these assets, or is this the first time you're hearing about them? All right. So subscribe. Oh, this is something that I used. Okay, cool beans. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Really handy stuff to use. They all came from this website again. It's the Facebook StreamYard Community Official. Okay,